Hey everyone, it's Vandy back. If you had watched my previous video, you'll know that this is going to be a swatching video of the new Jaclyn Hill Vault palette. It's plural. I keep saying one single palette, but it's clearly a bunch. So there is 4 palettes I'm going to be swatching. I'm not going to be using primer in between. I'm going to use my finger, a clean finger, and I'm going to use my arm, which has not been primed or based or anything. Yeah, so we'll get into it. These are the 4 palettes. If you want to see me swatch all 4 palettes, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm going to swatch the Vault palette. My swatches are terrible. Please do not shame me. I'm going to start with the Dark Magic palette, and this is Poof. It's a nice transition color. Then we have Power Cut. It's a nice emerald metallic. We have another transition color. Then we have Trickery. Oh, this one's beautiful. Swatched perfectly. Then we have Diversion, which is like a darker metallic. Then we have Potion. Nice green. I skipped over Busted and went Inside Job. And then realized my mistake and went back and did Busted. So those aren't in order. Yeah. Only Mandy. Then we have Mojo and Tempress, and this is the Dark Magic palette. I love them. Love, love, love. And the pigment, hello. Then we have the Ring the Alarm palette. Ring the alarm, I've been through this so long. Okay, no, I'll shut up. We are going to start off, if I can get that to stay, with Lolly. And it's a nice pink shimmer. Then we have Rush, nice orange. On Camera, gold. Those 3 colors go amazing already together. Boom. Then we have Alert. And after Alert, we have Bomb Ass, Siren, Mugshot. Then we have Framed. And the last one is Secret. And this is the Ring the Alarm palette. Love it. Colors are stunning. Now we have the Bling Boss palette. I'm living for these names. Like, you a boss and you bling. Oh my god, look at that purple. Okay, we start off with Bling Bling, Hush Hush, Gem, which is this purple that I'm madly in love with, Pizzazz, Mystic, if only Mandy would show you her arm. There you go. Spark, Glitz and Glam, Rockstar, Ballsy, which I didn't know where to put, and Berry Treasure. Isn't that cute? Berry Treasure. And this is the Bling Boss. I think my favorite. Final one we have is Armed and Gorgeous. And I kept calling it Armed and Dangerous. I'm such a mess. I'm always a mess. Forever a mess. Anyways, the first color, VIP. Ooh, so pretty. And then Access, Guilt Trip, Coin, make that coin, Agent, Top Secret, Smooth Criminal, da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, Secure. See, at this point I think I was rushing and I screwed up that swatch of Smooth Criminal. And the last 2 are Prowl and Classified. Adorbs. Well, I hope you guys liked that. I got some swatches on my arm. Let me know what your favorite palette is. I think my favorite is definitely the Bling Boss, the purples. Oh my gosh, like I cannot wait to play with this color, Gem. Oh, it's so nice. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe. There's more content coming. I mean, the fact that I put out almost 3 videos in a month, what's going on? Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.